Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Soji Lotus here and I am back with another video. I know, it's been a while. I haven't been posting, but where I'm living, it's the season time, or we might say the busy time. So I've been coming home late, waking up late, so I haven't got time. I'm trying my best to see what I can post for you guys, and I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to the old one for staying. And if you're not subscribers yet, click the red subscribe button and be a part of the Lotus family. What are you waiting for? Come on, let's go. Making a cute pink top and bottom sleeping outfit, or pajamas, whatever you like to call it. For this project, we'll be needing an oversized t-shirt or whatever, like something stretchy and comfortable. Big one. Scissors, needle, thread, bobby pin, some elastic, and you can have either lace trim, as I did, because I didn't have lace trim. I just cut up something that I had made from lace, cut it into strips, join it together and make my lace trim. And yeah, that's what we need. So let's start on a sewing machine, of course. So this is my oversized t-shirt that I'm gonna be using. So we're just gonna eyeball it and just cut, so you can just look and see what I'm doing. So yeah, so you cut this piece out. It's really self-explanatory. You can just watch it and see how to do it. So you're gonna stitch these two sides together. So now this is the top part we're gonna work on, and as I say, I'm just eyeballing everything. So in the front, you're gonna just cut this piece out and make it smooth and nice. Just like that. So we're just gonna stitch up all the sides, and this is the lace thing I cut up and make it a while back, and it was too small for me, so I make use of it. So we're just stitching everything together. Stitch the other side, so that's the back and the front. I'm stitching, and now we're just gonna stitch the crotch close. And I'm gonna attach the waist, so I'm gonna put some bobby pin to keep it secure while I stitch it down. Before that, you stitch it close, so you have one big loop. So we're just gonna stick some bobby pin in the elastic and the fabric, just like that. And then you can stitch it. So while you're stitching, you just need to stretch the elastic and not your fabric. So yeah, just keep going, and that's what you should have after you finish attaching your elastic. So to make it neat, we're gonna give it another stitch, but this time you fold it over so the edge should be clean. Now I'm gonna attach the lace trim, so we're just joining it together, and then we're gonna attach it all the way around the legs, just like that. Yeah, and I went ahead and did the top off camera, and this is what we got after finish. Yeah, hope you like it. Yes, that's how we make a cute little sleeping outfit or pajama sleepover. Just when you want to feel cozy, watch a movie and feel comfortable. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you subscribe if you don't already, and hit the like button and join the Lotus family. Thanks again. Bye.